3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a volcano out of Play-Doh, and we're going to make it erupt with colors. Like, I have orange, purple, and blue food coloring. So here's the colors I have. Come out, Play-Doh. I need this Play-Doh. I'm just gonna rip it. Never mind. So we need to like put some right here on the ledge and get it started up. Push it in right here, flatten it, like make it a little curve. Connect that. We need to make it like up a little bit or something. There's no way I'm getting this with just 8 colors. I need way more colors than just like cans than just 8. I don't know why my mom only got 8. You need to get like 10, 100, million, thousand. Because literally, I don't have enough for it. I'm literally just getting started on the bottom. And I already have like, how many, like 5 or 6 colors left. Already, and that's just on the bottom. So there's no way we're completing this. We would if you would have got more colors. But no. We need to put it like going in or something. I think we need to take it apart, like Play-Doh, so I can just use less than we normally would. I don't know why I didn't do this with the starter, maybe because like we needed to do just like that or something. I don't know. So I'm just getting like red only so far. So like, that's just with red. That's how much we've already got. We only need a little bit now to finish. See, it's already finished with that layer. Just flatten it out a lot and stretch it. It broke, sadly. Push. Bring it in a little bit. Because we need way more than just this. I'm breaking it because so we can get less pieces and stuff like that. So get this part pushed in. We ain't making this like get flat. We're just making it like normally how a volcano would be. So flatten this out. So we need to do this. Boom. And we're already on our last final 2 colors. We wouldn't be if somebody wouldn't have got more. And there's no way we're completing this unless I squish it in. I see it. And that looks junky. I have a good idea. Just make it the top, fill it in. I did this back a few like last week or something, I forget. It was Thursday, I know that. Fill in the top. And then fill it up. Bring it up. Curve it. Yeah. So here is what we're doing. We definitely need it a little bigger. Bring it out. Okay. This is what our volcano looks like. If I had more colors, it would look way, way, way better. It's really good with these colors combined. I wish I could lift it up, but I can't. So that would ruin the entire volcano. Add a few drops of this. That's good. Twist this back on. A few drops of each color. That you can do your own color if you want. Like you can do different than mine. Like you don't have to copy like exactly mine. 1, 2. This is bubbling. That looks more red than orange, but okay. Let's look inside. It's mixing colors. We're mixing it. I wonder what it'll look like at the end. It'll probably look insane. Pretty cool. Done with that. So first, we're gonna add some baking soda. Add some white vinegar. Here it is. I haven't got it in a cup for me. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Let's add more. Let's do this. It looks like a real volcano erupting. The more white sugar you add, the better, like the more it'll erupt. Like it's going down bubbling. If I add more, chemical reaction, guys. Let's put more baking soda before. Let's go! Oh my god, that's so much. That's all of them. Sadly. We don't have any more, guys, sadly. So, look at it. Look inside here. You see it? How cool is that? And make sure to like, subscribe. We're trying to hit 9 million subscribers. Bye, guys.